Hey guys, I just wanted to make a video about my blood parrot, which is right there. He is right there. He's red there. He has some sort of white spots on his side, and they're not really white. They're more like milky, like you can see through them. It looks like a blister. So I looked it up and I didn't find anything about it. So I didn't move him to the quarantine tank because I have no idea, what to medicate him with. I'm just feeding him more pellets. As you can see right there, that's the pellet stuff. That has garlic, so that's why I'm feeding him more. And I've raised up the temperature to 81 degrees. I'm already seeing some more aggression. I've never seen these two lip lock, the Frontosa and the blood parrot, but they've been doing that ever since I raised up the temperature. So let's see what else. Oh, the Murray Angel. As you noticed, I turned in the other blood parrots and the Mabuno. I got some store credit, and right now I'm waiting for a blue dolphin. And they basically put me on reserve. So once they get one, they'll call me up, and I'll go there and pick it up. So that's good news. They're $60, which is kind of expensive, but I mean I have a quarantine tank and all that, so it helps a lot. Sorry if my voice sounds weird. I've got some serious allergies today, so. Let's see what else. The turtles. Here, let's see. They've been doing that mating dance where they put their their arms, I guess, on top, do that thing. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. Look it up if you want. They just kind of slap each other, back slap with both hands. So they've been doing that for a really long time, but they still didn't. Mate. So I don't know what's up with that. I'm fine with that because if I do get some baby eggs, I'll just throw them away. First of all, they can't put them anywhere because most of the tank is water. Second of all, I don't want more turtles. They're so messy, it's not even funny. I'm fine with 2. So yeah. Let's see. I cleaned the Fluval U2 and the power filter for the quarantine tank yesterday, and I'm planning to clean the Fluval 4 some point this week. I'm not gonna do a video, but in the summertime I will. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a close-up on. I'm standing up. We'll show you the algae eater because he's been getting bigger by the day. See, he's right here. And they're supposed to be 11 inches, so he's gonna be the biggest guy. But I'm not worried about space because they don't really swim. As you can see, they kind of chill, and they stay on the surface because that's where the algae is. So they'll go on the glass, on the plants, the ornaments, and the rocks. So he won't really be taking any space. That's why I'm not really counting him as a member of the tank. But yeah, even if once he gets 11 inches, he'll still be laying on the sand, so he's not really taking up any space. So yeah, alright, that's all. See you guys later.